the first thing I'm going to do is put a title on my page. So at the moment I've got the lines of the poem, but I haven't got a title. So just like you've got chapter headings in a book, I want to put the title Jabberwocky as my first line of my poem. Okay, and if I save that and refresh, it certainly puts it as the first line, but it actually puts it as the first word. It does not make it stand out in any way. So I'm going to make it stand out, and I can surround that by a heading element, which is H. And notice I've got a list of them here: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. And I can choose one of these. So I'm going to double click on H1. Now be careful, because if you're copying from text, L's and 1's look very much alike, but they are totally different. So if you've got it wrong and you put a HL in, notice that the element is black, not blue. So changing that for a 1 turns it into blue. And I've got to say where my heading ends, H1. So I'm saying that the word Jabberwocky should be a heading, rather like a chapter in a book. So if I save that work and refresh my page, then I will get my title, Jabberwocky, and then the rest of my poem. So I've managed to format the first part. If you want to try out different numbers, you can put H2. You've got up to 6 to try. So saving that and refreshing my page, notice it goes down each time. The fonts get smaller and smaller. So if I finally choose H6 and H6, save that and refresh, it's actually smaller than the actual text. Also, it changes the font style. So let's put that back to heading 1, because that's what I want. And that's our first piece of styling on the page. Just refresh the page to make sure we've got it right.